This film has been classified 18, which means it's for adults only. It's an offence for your shop to supply an 18 video to anyone under that age. An 18 film will certainly have an adult theme and might well contain strong scenes of sex or violence, which could be quite graphic. Thanks for listening.
Why don't you just take like a million pictures of it? Was that your number?
Yep.
What's your name?
Christy.
I'm Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
You're crazy. Oh my God.
I'll text you.
Do you think they call it sand because it's between the sea and the land?
Sand?
Yeah. You think so? Oh, right on. How you doing today? Oh, good. You heading home or where are you going? All right, have fun, all right? Oh, wait, we can't go yet. All right. Another question. How many, is there 20 letters in the alphabet? How many? Oh, that's right. I forgot you are a cutie. Don't worry, I'll give you the D later.
This actually makes your car smell really good when it gets super hot. Yeah. Maybe get one. And no, I'm not fake. My name is really that.
So, oh, seriously?
Yeah.
I was born in Savannah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Savannah. Did you take the card back? I was like,
I've got more. Oh, there you go.
Sweet, thanks.
And one of each of you can have it. Go ahead and throw a subscribe on there. You guys free tomorrow? When do you want to do this?
We'll let you know.
Okay.
Just text all of us.
I will text. I'll create a group and I'll text you guys.
Sounds good.
Yeah, my name's Pacey. This is Derek.
Hello.
And we'll give you guys a call. I'll text you tomorrow and see what you guys are free.
All right.
Weather's looking beautiful this week, so it's perfect timing.
Thanks.
All right, girls. You have fun. You all look really hot too. Oh, you're over there. Okay. I thought you were behind me. How about that shit, bro? I just got 3 hot girls' phone numbers. I've only started recording halfway through, though. That sucks.
I have a quick question for you. Hey.
What's the question?
So the question is, I wanted to know if you could be so polite.
So polite?
So polite.
If I can be so polite?
Yes.
What do you mean?
Because I've lost my number and I just want to know if I could have yours. That's a good pickup line, right?
It is.
I know it is.
What's going on, Mandy? How you doing? Good. I'm fantastic. Wow, you look great. So, you're here. You requested a ride on the Cathnator for the first time in your life, And I gotta say, it's pretty brave, you know? It's really a brave thing. You know, she's a fast beast. She's actually the Taco Bell theme. She's Taco Bell colors, if you haven't noticed. And, you know, that just makes her even more slippery, because it's like, you know, you ride over some beef or like some beans from Taco Bell, you're gonna be slipping and sliding everywhere. But there's nothing to worry about. We're gonna be fine. So we're gonna slide it on the noggin right there. We got the noggin fluid pumping, and then we're just gonna do the clipperoo. Ready? Satisfying sound. Oh yeah, that was good. All right, so I'm kind of a sea beaver, so this is going to be very difficult for me to explain because, you know, sea beavers are fairly stupid. But what you're going to do is you're just going to step your foot right up on there. You're going to jump over. You're going to swing on just like you're riding a donkey, and then you're just going to be on the back. It's going to be like magical, actually. You don't really have to do too much. Ready, set. Of course, you know, if I can hold on to yours, I'm not going to hold on to yours because, you know, I don't want to get demonetized. All right, so you ready? We got the hoppage. We can see, you know, we can see you're doing good. You look great in the mirror. Wow, we look pretty cool on here. This is like a cool shot right now. We're going to start the cathenator. Actually, you know, I'm going to let you do it. I'm going to let you do the honors. That's kind of like a tradition. Yeah, press it. You got to hold it. Cathenator. I thought she wasn't going to start. All right, so we're good. Whoa! You see this? You know who this is? It's Franklin. Hey, it's Franklin. Oh crap! Oh, we got the Franklin guard dog. He's barking at us. You hear that? We gotta get out. Oh crap! He's coming. We gotta go. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Ah, Johnny, you can't get me, buddy. What do we got here? Hey, Papa Jim. Is this your pirate ship?
In my house.
Oh, it's not. You know, it just kind of like looked like it because you look like a cannoneer because you got that pencil, which looks like a cannon, in your ear. But you know what? It's okay, you know? I mean, I wish it was your house. You know, if I ever own this house, I'll be sure to give it to you. All right, Papa Jim? Let me get a quickie fisty. Oh, yeah, thanks. Oh, that's a nice beard you got there. All right. That's the year I was born. So I figured we'd stop here and we just kind of get the first review, the first preview of how you feel about the catenationalist. You know, what are you thinking? What's your first, you know, ideas, your first thoughts? You know, what are you doing right there? What are you pinching?
I like it. It's pretty fun.
You like the catenationalist?
Yeah, I don't think you can park your spaceship here though.
No, I think I can, you know, kind of do whatever I want because, you know, technically, as long as, you know, you got the brick wall on the ground, you know, hang on a minute. Whoa. Whoa. All right, well, how does it feel to be a member of the Taco Gym Association Cult and Learning Center? Do you feel a little bit smarter? Because, you know, that's always the goal, you know, you get the people learning when you go to Taco Gym Association. All right, I want to say thanks so much, Mandy, for coming along on this ride on the Catenator. I think it was very brave of you, and if you guys want to see more of Mandy, you're going to have to go over to her Instagram and do me a favor, annoy the crap out of her, leave a comment about what you would do if her hair was made out of bacon.
Yes.
Hello. Are you motorcycle rider?
Yeah, I'm a beginner, yes.
Beginner? Oh, you're taping?
Yeah.
Oh, I was just gonna ask you if I could get a ride on you on the motorcycle.
No, I just started today.
What? You just started today?
I just picked up my bike 2 hours ago. That's why I'm practicing.
Oh, do you know how? And all that?
Well, yeah, I took my course, but...
Well, I'll be here if I need a call in the hospital.
No, not today.
Okay.
Maybe another time.
Wait, what?
Maybe another time.
Okay.
Okay?
You have fun.
I'll keep practicing.
All right.
Well, that was weird.
So that was a good amount of fun. We had a great time. What are they doing? Hey.
Fingers down my side. Girl, you look mighty fine.
I don't know what it is that they're doing, but it was funny. There was like some girl flinging her feet in the front seat, and I guess one was Snapchatting them.
Zach! Zach! Run!
YouTube! YouTube! If you guys don't know, I just gave her my phone so she could put her number in there. What's your name? Chelsea. Alright.
Hey, can I try that on? Your cool scarf?
My blanket?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ride away with it?
No, no. Here, look, you can have this glove. No way am I gonna... Okay. Ugh. How do I look? You think I could rock it?
I'm gonna run away.
Oh, no, I'm gonna chase you on this. Then you're gonna run in there and I'm gonna be like, oh, she wins. This is cool. Is this your like beach towel?
It's my favorite blanket.
Your favorite blanket? Did you used to sleep with it?
Oh, I always sleep with
It's like a cool, it's like a stylish scarf though.
it. It's hot, right?
Yeah, it's kind of high, and it goes with your glasses, which is totally rad.
They actually match perfectly, right?
Yeah, they do. They do. Okay, well, I'll give it back. Are you really leaving the beach this early? It's like the perfect time to be there.
I pissed my friend off. His dog was barking at everyone, and I
Mhm.
like yanked on its leash, and he's like, "We're leaving."
No.
Fine.
Where is he?
He's walking up ahead of me.
He's mad at you right now?
Slightly autistic, so I get it. But
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Here, wait. I gotta give you something. Don't open it yet. Deal?
you gonna follow me to my car?
Am I gonna follow you to your car? I'll race your car.
Okay. You'll probably win.
I'll probably lose. Can your car do wheelies? Because this thing can't. Well,
I wish you had another helmet.
I do have another helmet.
You wanna give me a ride to my car?
I do want to give you a ride to your car.
What's your name?
Kleb. My name's Caleb. My
Caleb.
nickname's Kleb. K-L-E-B. Cool. You're totally rad.
You hear the dog?
Is that the dog? Is he gonna be mad that I'm giving you a ride?
You can suck your dick.
Okay. Okay, well here you... Okay, so the deal is, while we ride up there, I get to put that around my neck.
Deal.
Sweet. I'm gonna take a selfie. Get one of each other. Alright, you can't see. Sweet. Okay, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna tell me where to go. You ready? On these little pegs. You feel it? And then right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna get on this road and take a left? Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so you're gonna open that note and then you're gonna say hi to me.
Your number better be on it.
My website kind of thingy's on there.
You got your glove, right?
You got my backpack. Backpack. I knew you were gonna try and steal something off me.
Have a great day.
You too. I gotta get a fist pump from you. Have a good day. There's one of the reasons I ride motorcycles.